Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So yesterday I posted a haul video, and I showed in the haul video that I had excuse me, purchased the We Are Memory Keepers Rosette punch, and tons of you guys didn't even know about it. You guys, I'm with you. I didn't know either, and wanted to see how it works. Now, first things first, this is definitely like a kind of like to make the fans for parties and stuff like that. So it's definitely something to work with as far as bigger rosettes. So if you want to make their bigger ones, this is perfect for that. I'm not too sure if it makes like little small ones like this. I don't think it does. I don't even think it might do ones like these, but I'm not sure. These I didn't make with the punch. I actually made these by hand, just playing around yesterday. But we're going to make one with this and see how it turns out, okay? So this is what the punch looks like. I wanted to show it to you guys. Let's bring the focus up. This is what the punch looks like. And then it's just like a regular punch. It has like this little design back here, and then it has like a little score line right here, which is a key to this, you know, punch. So let's make a rosette. Are you guys ready? I'm trying to make sure that you guys are focused and you can see everything clearly. Okay, so I had to Google this, you guys, because it was like I had no clue what I was doing. But I found a size that I think I want to try out. So I had to cut 3 sheets 6 by 12. Okay? So that's what I did. I cut 3 sheets 6 by 12, and then I scored them, as you can see, at 1 inch all the way through. So 3 sheets of paper that are 6 by 12 scored at 1 inch all the way through. And I did that with all 3 papers. You guys are wondering what paper pad this is. Let me sit down. It's the, excuse me, the Martha Stewart new double-sided sheet. Does it have a name? No, but it's just the mint green one. But that's the paper that I use. I use like this little marble effect paper. And then once we have our paper, I'm going to remove this. And then let's work with our first paper. Make sure that I'm in frame. Actually, let's put the punch here. Okay, what we're supposed to do is start off not with the score line right on the score line. You're supposed to start off on the edge. So you guys see what I'm doing? Start off on the edge and punch. And then you're supposed to skip, right, the score line and go on to the next. So you're going to skip every other score line. And I hope I'm doing this right. Okay. And I think this is like super fun because I've been wanting to make my own fans for my craft room. And I think this is the perfect tool. Look, you guys, I think I got it. Isn't that pretty? I like that. I think I'm going to also do like the little gold on it before I actually like seal it. So let's do that to all the papers. We could start, I guess, I'm assuming we could start anywhere we want. Whether it's from the end, from whatever end. So you're going to skip every other score line. And punch. It's kind of hard to see the score lines on this paper. Okay. There's that one. So now we're on to our last piece of paper. Let me do it this way. And you guys, I'm super excited. I have something fun planned for you guys. I have so many collections of just different collections that I've purchased. And I want to start doing like a series where I create a project with a different collection. So basically just working with the collection. And I thought it would be fun to show you guys different projects with different collections. So there's that. So I'm assuming we're done with this. Take out our scraps. And now what we're going to do is we're going to start doing our folds. So yeah, this is definitely going to be a big rosette. At first when I thought of it, I thought it was going to be, so it's got to be, hold on, I got to make sure that I do it the right way. Because that's how I always mess up the rosettes. I never fold them the right way. And then I end up stuck because I glued them on without realizing, and then they're like off. One of my biggest mistakes with my rosettes. Okay, so then this one could fold in here, and it goes in perfectly, right? Does that go like that? I think. Or it would have to be, I think, like this. Yeah, I think it would be like that. And then we would start this one off like that. We're learning together, people. Do any of you guys have this punch? I know a lot of you guys said you didn't even hear about it, but is there anybody here that, well, on my channel that has it and has used it before? We're just gonna go with it, guys. I think it goes like this, and then we're gonna just glue each piece like we would any rosettes using my crazy disgusting glue gun. I need a new one. Thinking about going to Michael's on Monday, you guys. We shall see. I should have gone this weekend, but honestly, my house needed some tender loving care. And I needed to get to that. But I might go after work on Monday. Alright, you guys, I don't know how right I did this, but I think once we do this, we go, you see what I mean, you guys? I think I did it wrong. Should I cut? Would it be like wrong if I like cut one piece? Or did I make this too short? Why is it not working? Maybe I should just cut one piece off. Would that be cheating? If I cut one off? It might be cheating. But I'm not going to make this paper go to waste. So we're going to attempt. Wait. To do this. Okay, hold on. I don't know if you guys can see me. I'm just gluing another flap down. Okay. So then I guess we can do this. I think we did it, you guys. Even though I cheated and I had to cut one off because obviously I didn't fold properly. But Let me see if I can add some glue in here and hold it a little bit. Oh, it looks so pretty. Do you guys see how it turned out? These will look so pretty like on your wall and stuff. I think that'll turn out so cute. Look at that. Alright, let me add a different glue stick to my glue gun. Don't you guys hate it when your like glue gun starts to like act up? Like every little thing is like wrong with this thing. It piles up glue in the back. Okay. I'm going to use a little piece of this and just cut out one of these little scalloped circles to place right there. See how that looks. Is that too much? No, we'll do it. Or we can use like a bigger one. I think I have, hold on a second. Oh my god, you guys, I think I have such a good idea with these. These are so cute. Look at this one, you guys. What do you think? Isn't that perfect? And there you go. It turned out so cute. Obviously, I think it would have had a better like turnout around here if I didn't cut that extra flap. But I had to because, oh, it's like ombre effect in the back. Because I folded it wrong and I didn't want to have to start over. So, yeah, you guys, this punch is, I think, mainly for the more bigger rosettes, like for your wall and stuff like that. I did see on a video that you could make one that's about maybe a little bit bigger than this one, but I still haven't figured out the measurements to that, and this is the only one that I found the actual paper that I needed to use. So if you guys are interested in this rosette punch, get ready to make some real big fun ones, and these are also fun to share. You could package it real nicely and maybe have a little string right here and send it to a pen pal. That will be so cute. And yeah, I think that's about it. I'm seeing a lot of questions about am I continuing friend mail. I'm slowly getting into the process of it and stuff like that. I will get back to doing happy mail. It's just that right now I'm trying to knock out a lot of like other things and then work my way back into it. I really don't have the time right now to sit and craft a bunch of stuff, but it will get done at some point, and I will get all back into it completely. Everything that I did, I will continue to do. I just really want to focus on getting you guys videos out there throughout the week and not definitely slack on that. I definitely want to give you guys videos, and that's been mainly my most important thing, is to at least put out 2 to 3 videos a week, and definitely more on the weekends. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys like the way this rosette turned out, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.